Welcome to your Emmo Zone II walk-around how-to. Congratulations, because you bought from Ride the Wind, right? Why would you buy anywhere else? But we do pride ourselves on the service, the videos we do, but it's most importantly is the after service care that we do. So here's your new zone. Shout out to Darren in Dryden, Ontario. Put in his first order of 2 of them. So the toggle, let's show you that. Obviously, you know that these have to be limited to 32 kilometers an hour, but there is a toggle and it is located right here. So it's hidden over here. So you can turn that off and then you're gonna have use of your 3 speeds. So on this model, they've got a high, medium, and low. High, medium, and low. So low is gonna be about 25, 35, and then whatever top speed is should be 80. This is your cruise control. So you're cruising along, you just set that and there you go. If you wanna turn it off, brake, or hit that again. Hazards. These are your lights. So off, daylight, nighttime. Then you can turn your high beam on. So off, daylight, on, and then high beam. And then you've got a flasher, and that's this yellow button here, right here, and your horn. Signals do not make a noise. A lot of people prefer that. They don't make noise. I'm not a fan of that. To turn them off, you just press them in. To lock your bike, you press the lock. That's gonna set the alarm. If the bike's moved, I might as well just show you. If the bike's moved, the alarm sounds. And it locks the back wheel. Unlock. You have a bell on here, and this is just if you lost your bike and you want to find it. Okay, you have remote start, which is the lightning bolt. Press it twice, your bike turns on with no key. You want to turn that off, you press unlock. Okay, that's good if you lost your key or somebody busted in your ignition because they wanted to steal it. So you can adjust your levers here. Tire pressure, you got to check your tire pressure. I would say every 50, 100, 200 kilometers. You want to get in the habit of that. Let's get into your tank. So you use your key here, same key, which is nice, and it opens there. Okay, so I would like to get into the screen. Okay, it's not touch screen. It doesn't look like it should be. Oh, it is touch screen. Volume. Okay. Oh, here's a good point. Voltage. This is very important. A 72 volt bike, because this comes in 72 or 84. 72 charges to 84 volts, 82 to 84. Okay. Keep an eye on that. Don't really pay attention to this because it's not 100% accurate. 82, 84 volts is what it charges up to. Once you get down to 70, 68, 65, like get home and charge, like go time. But you got to watch that. But you got to take your time with the bike and start in around your neighborhood and slowly go further and further. Depends on the weather, and test your bike to see where your voltage is, because you can have upwind, downwind. One day you're going to take more hills than the other. One day you need to get somewhere faster, so you're just gunning it there. Other days you're chilling. So range is something you really have to pay attention to, no matter what, if it's an electric car, electric bike, whatever. Bluetooth. Hey, Bluetooth exhaust. Your bike needs to be turned on in order for that to work. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on again. Then you have your remote here. So this is either a Bluetooth speaker or it is a throttle sound. So we're gonna turn that on. Makes lights. Does look cool at night. So quick touch to turn it on and off. Press and hold. Radio. Press and hold, throttle sound, press and hold, Bluetooth speaker. That's pretty easy. All right, so we got the bike connected to Android, which was so easy. I literally just connected to that. It's got my music right there. It's got my GPS. I've turned my bike off, and then I want to come back to my bike. Let's see if it automatically connects. Oh, it's thinking. Yep. So that's great. It auto connects to your phone every time you get on. That's obviously very convenient. My phone calls are all there. My music is there. Because what if I want to know like that's my screen, but I want to go to, it's just my phone, but what if I want to see like where I'm going? Like I want to see my speed. Okay, we'll have to do that in a road test. Okay, people? So I think that about covers it for the walk around. Keep your pedals on. If you get this in the crate, oh, charging port. I'll just show you where that is if you're looking for that, because it is a bit hidden. It's just on this side. So plug it in there, plug it into the wall, Charger is going to turn on the fan. It's going to go red and then green when it's done. Don't worry, if the bigger the battery, the longer you have to charge. Just always charge it till it goes green. And so yeah, there's your walk around on your new 2025 Zone 2 remodel.